What's up, everybody? This is Boots, and today I got the Havit 60% wireless mechanical keyboard. It has 61 keys, it has a detachable USB-C cable that comes with it. It's a nice braided quality, USB-C to USB-A. Comes with a user manual, has Bluetooth 5.0. You can connect 3 devices simultaneously, and then you can switch between the 3. It has a 19 milliamp hour battery that should give you about 300 or so hours of use. This keyboard comes with mechanical red switches. Usually these come with the clicky blue switches, but these have the quiet red switches. It comes in black or white and rainbow backlighting. As you can see here, the USB-C port is at your top left. See on the bottom, it's just gonna say Havit mechanical gaming keyboard, and there's your on and off switch for your Bluetooth. And in front here, you got a little logo. On the sides, there's nothing, but that's about it. Let's go ahead and plug this in. And there you can see the little bit of backlighting it has. This is rainbow, so you can't change the colors of the levels or whatever. So, but we should be able to go through here and cycle through the different effects it has. And I'm just hitting function and this little symbol here. Nothing too special, but it's there if you want it. And then you can change the brightness with these keys here. And I'm at the maximum there. And you can dim it all the way till it's off if you want. Quiet red switches. Let's pull off one of these keycaps and see what brand switches they are. If I had to guess, I would say Otemu. Nope, I'm wrong. These are Jixian branded switches. Keyboard is nice and it's not, I wouldn't call it lightweight. It's not heavy. It's like a nice, substantial feeling keyboard. It's all plastic design. Got 4 rubber stoppers on the back. Very utilitarian type style. We like that here. All right, what I do want to do is connect this to a couple different devices and then switch between them to see how long it takes to register. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on the back, I'm gonna turn this on Bluetooth mode. You see, it's on. So I got a little bit of juice. So what we'll do here, you have Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3. And then on your tab, this will switch between your different modes. So if I hit function and tab, you'll see Bluetooth 1 is flashing there. So I'll hit function P. I am now in pairing mode for Bluetooth 1. So now I'm gonna go to my PC here, and it's coming up Havit KB255. So I'm gonna hit connect, and I am ready to go, it says. I'm gonna connect this to my PC, or I'm sorry, to my phone, and then we're gonna swap between the two. Now I'll hit function W, which will put me in Bluetooth 2 mode. You see that's flashing. So now I'll hit function and P, and now it's ready to connect. And again, it comes up Havit KB255. And now I should be able to switch seamlessly between the two. Okay, so here I am typing on one device. Now I'm gonna swap over to the next device and see how long it takes to connect. So function 1. And it took about 3 seconds. So let me swap back to see how long it takes to switch again. Function 2. About 3 seconds again. So between 3 to 5 seconds it takes to connect. I mean, it's not the fastest on record, but I guess it's not horrible. With all of that said, let's do a quick keyboard typing test. So not a bad typing experience. The spacebar is a bit on the rattly side, but hey, this keyboard is $30 on Amazon shipped. So get wireless functionality, you get 60% body, detachable USB-C cable, rainbow backlighting. The only thing is when I'm typing in here in Bluetooth mode, it doesn't feel buttery smooth for some reason like it does on the Bluetooth on other keyboards. It feels like there's some type of maybe connection issue. I'm gonna do a little bit more testing with that. I'll let you know my findings. But I mean, it's connected, it switches between my devices, it was registering on all my devices. I didn't have like too much issue. I just noticed that this might be a slight connection issue. You know what, let's put the cable in here and do another typing test to see if anything changes. Yeah, like I thought, I actually got 20 words per minute better and less errors that time with the plugged in. So there's something a little finicky about this Bluetooth. That's about it. 60% keyboard, rainbow backlighting, Bluetooth, connect 3 devices, 1900 milliamp hour battery, all plastic design, minimal logo down there. I mean, not too much else you could say. Jixian branded switches. If you have any other questions about it, hit me in the comments. This is Boots with Cyborg Team, and I'm out. Thanks, guys.